What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, Jack Up Your English, the channel where we look at everything and anything related to English. And today we are going to look at prepositions of time. So what are prepositions of time? They are used to indicate when something happens or will happen. So there are many prepositions of time we can use, but today we are only going to look at 3 of them: in, on, and at. Because these 3 prepositions of time are the ones we use the most, and most often they are used incorrectly. And let me share some examples of mistakes I hear when I have English lessons with my students. For example, I was born at 1986. The meeting is in Monday. Meet me on 12 o'clock. So, do you sometimes hear yourself making those same mistakes? Well, don't worry. In today's lesson, we're going to look at when do we use these prepositions. We're going to look at sentences and examples of how we use it in context. There's going to be a quiz, and at the end, there's even a special little challenge I have for you guys. So, let's not waste any time. Let's go and look at the first preposition, in. In is used for longer periods such as months, years, centuries, and parts of the day. And if we go look at some examples how we can use it, we can say the football season will start in August. So a month. I graduated from university in 2004. Year. In the 21st century, we will go to the moon. Century. And our final example, John went for a jog in the morning, a part of the day. So there we have it, how to use in. Let's move on to on. On is used for specific days, dates, and special occasions. And let's go look at some examples. And our first example is the family enjoys time together on Christmas Day, a specific day. The meeting is on Monday, again a specific day. His birthday is on July 4th, a specific date. And our last example is we will go to Spain on her birthday, and that's a special occasion. So now you know how to use on. Also, if you like the content, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. And let's move on and let's go look at. At is used for specific times, holidays, and specific points of time. And of course, let's also go look at some examples. And our first example is I will meet you at 7 p.m. So a specific time. At Christmas, we enjoy a big family dinner. It's a holiday, but remember, it's describing the holiday period. But on is used if referring to Christmas Day, like we did in the previous example. And then our last example is the party will start at midnight, a specific point of time. Yeah, so there you have it. Now you know when to use all 3 prepositions. We looked at some examples, but before we move on to the quiz, I've got a special little challenge for you. Let's go look. Create a sentence using all 3 prepositions of time, in, on, and at, in one sentence, and use the words Monday, 9 o'clock, and morning. And the hint I'm giving you is the sentence should be about scheduling or arranging a meeting with someone. So yeah, there's a little challenge for you. Think about it. But in the meantime, let's move on to the quiz. The first one, the class starts blank 9 a.m. and finishes blank the afternoon. So yeah, I give you a second to think about it. And let's go see the correct answer. If you said the class starts at 9 a.m. and finishes in the afternoon, well done, great job. Let's go look at the second one. And the second one is we are going to Spain blank July and coming back blank Monday. Again, I'll give you a second to think about it. And the answer is we're going to Spain in July and coming back on Monday. So well done. Have you got both of them correct? Let's look at our third and final quiz, and it is he usually works blank the morning and relaxes blank night. And of course, if we look at the answer, it is he usually works in the morning and relaxes at night. So did you get all of them correct? So well done if you did. And let's go look at that challenge. Let's see if you got that one as well. Remember, you had to use all three prepositions in, on, and at in one sentence. Let's go look at the answer. The meeting is on Monday at 9 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, so if you got that correct, well done. And that also wraps up our video for today. Prepositions of time, in, on, and at. Only those three. In another video, I'll cover the other prepositions of time we can use. And yeah, as always, thank you everybody for watching, for liking, for subscribing. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.